In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Coinbase account number. Understanding where to locate this information can be quite handy, especially when you need to make transactions with ease. So let's dive right into it and make sure you have everything you need at your fingertips. First things first, launch the Coinbase mobile application on your device. If you don't already have it installed, head over to your device's app store, download it, and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and ready to go, you're set to begin this seamless process. Now that you've got the app open, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll find the transfer button. This is a crucial step as it leads you right into the heart of managing your transactions within Coinbase. Tap on this transfer button, which is typically located among the primary menu options. Next, you should see a number of choices, but what you're looking for is the Receive Crypto option. When you tap on Receive Crypto, it allows you to specify which cryptocurrency you wish to receive. This is particularly useful if you're dealing with multiple cryptocurrencies, since each one will have its own unique receiving address. Now, select the specific cryptocurrency you'd like to receive. This could be Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any number of cryptocurrencies available on Coinbase. Once you've made your selection, you'll be presented with your unique receiving address. This is an important piece of information as it ensures that any funds being transferred to you are accurately directed to your account. If you're looking for your crypto addresses for sending and receiving, you'll find them under the section labeled Crypto Addresses. Here you can manage the addresses associated with your Coinbase account, providing you with flexibility and control over your transactions. Keeping track of these addresses helps in ensuring you always provide the correct information when receiving cryptocurrency. However, if your intention is to find your wire transfer information, such as your account number for traditional banking methods, the process is slightly different. You'll need to navigate to the deposit option within the app. Once you're in the deposit section, select wire transfer as your deposit method. This will guide you to the necessary details, including your account number to facilitate wire transfers. That wraps up our tutorial on finding your Coinbase account number. By following these steps, you should be well equipped to locate the information you need. Remember, staying informed and organized plays a significant role in managing your digital assets. Thanks for tuning in and happy trading.